Well, Equitas Small Finance Bank has initiated merger of itself with its holding company parent. So what is the contours of this transaction and what is the purpose of this transaction? Now, this was largely along expected lines. We do know that Equitas Small Finance Bank was expected to merge with Equitas Hold Co, and the shareholders of Equitas Hold Co will receive shares in Equitas Small Finance Bank. And we also are aware that the holdco structure was created in order to comply with RBI norms. However, now those norms have been eased, and there has been an enablement of this particular merger to go through. So 100 shares held by Equitas Hold Co shareholders will now receive 231 shares of Equitas Small Finance Bank in return for those 100 shares. And what does this exactly mean? Well, Equitas Small Finance Bank will firstly become a 100% public company, and around 71% is what the shareholders of Equitas Hold Co will hold in Equitas Small Finance Bank post this particular merger. The timeline is obviously depending on when SEBI approval comes, but post that there's a 3 to 6 month NCLT process which will have to go through, after which the merger will get implemented. What are the contours of the transaction? But before that, we look at what the stock has been doing. Both shares are higher in trade today. In fact, Equitas Hold Co is up over 2.5% and Equitas Small Finance Bank is up almost 2.75% as we speak as well. Delving into what the contours of the transaction are, well, the swap ratio of 100 is to 231 and what this means for shareholders. So let's take a quick look. Currently, there are 34 crore shares outstanding in Equitas Hold Co, which will switch, or rather its market capitalization total is roughly 3800 crore. Now, when we issue 231 shares of Equitas Small Finance Bank versus the 100 shares of Equitas Hold Co, the total number of shares held by shareholders of Equitas Hold Co will be 79 crore in Equitas Small Finance Bank after the merger. So that will have a total market capitalization of roughly 4,300 crore, which will imply a 12.5% upside to current valuations, assuming that Equitas Small Finance Bank remains at the current valuation of roughly 54 rupees a share. So that's how it looks like currently broadly. This merger is expected to go through hopefully this year, if SEBI approval of course comes through. Keep an eye out for both these stocks.